I am genuinely giddy about this product. Making healthy aging easier to stick with, it is a complete win in my book. Will I keep taking it? Absolutely. At 55, taking supplements isn't really a choice anymore. It's a necessity. And not because I enjoy taking them. I certainly do not enjoy taking a mouthful of tablets every morning. It is because I know I should. Look, I look after my skin. I exercise. I eat well. I prioritize sleep. Supplements are simply another part of the equation. Now, the problem for me is that the supplements that I really wanted to take, it just started to add up very quickly. Over the years, I've taken NMN, magnesium, resveratrol, hyaluronic acid, and a whole host of others. And I've taken them individually. But at some point I had to start making choices. Well, sacrifices really. And not because I didn't believe in them, but because I simply couldn't afford to take everything I wanted. So I have stopped and started different supplements at different times for years, always sacrificing one for another. Then along came this, the new Longevity Sachet by Do Not Age. It is a daily drink containing 15 healthy aging ingredients in a single sachet that you mix with water every morning. Look, I know it sounds ridiculous to get excited about a supplement, but here we are. This is not sponsored. I am genuinely giddy about this product. What excites me isn't about just what's inside, and we will get to that in a minute, but I will say it again. 15 ingredients in one sachet. Now, that might not sound revolutionary, but if you have ever tried managing a very robust supplement routine, you will understand immediately why I'm excited by this. Like, instead of multiple bottles cluttering up my kitchen cabinet, and Gary, would you say I have a few bottles in the kitchen?
One or two?
They are all in here. We're talking one little sachet. And because it's a little sachet, I can take it with me anywhere. This has already been with me to New York twice. It's been to Lisbon, and California is next. I literally grab a handful of these, throw them in my suitcase, and off I go. There's no pill organizer. There's no counting out all the capsules by day. And there's no trying to remember what I've forgotten, because there will always be something. This just makes it simple for me to bring my supplement routine with me. And that is a bigger deal than it sounds, because consistency matters. Like, the best routine in the world is useless if you don't actually stick to it. But simplicity only matters if the product itself stacks up. But before we get to what's inside of it, there's one thing I was genuinely worried about, and that's the taste. Because this is a powder. Like, you have to mix it with water and you have to drink it. Now, for me, that is usually bad news. I avoid powders altogether. I don't know why, I just can't stomach them. They're kind of always horrible in my opinion. Give me a capsule the size of Texas, no problem. Give me a liquid, sure thing. Give me almost anything that doesn't have to be dissolved in water. So I was skeptical. Well, yippity-doo-dah, it actually tastes great. I think that was probably the biggest surprise of all. Because if it tasted awful, I don't care how good the ingredients are, it would be a no-go for me. But what's really matters is what's inside. Now, what caught my attention when I looked at the ingredient list was how many of these supplements I have been buying separately. NMN, TMG, SIRT6 activator, magnesium, K2D3, CoQ10, resveratrol, hyaluronic acid. Like, these are all supplements that I've purchased individually over the years. So this wasn't just replacing one, it was replacing seven. 7 bottles, 7 purchases, 7 different decisions every month. And that's before we even get to the ingredients that I wasn't taking, because I simply couldn't afford another bottle. Plus, you know, it's all pre-measured and they put all the optimum daily amounts into it, so I don't have to spend a lot of time trying to figure out the right dosage. And that takes time, and I was doing it. So this, my friends, is a win-win. And that brings me on to something else I think is maybe even more important than the ingredient list. And that's the trust. That's trusting who you are buying these products from. And this is not my first experience with Do Not Age. I've been buying and using their supplements for years. In fact, most of the supplements I was purchasing individually were already coming from Do Not Age. They are a research-first organization, and they earned my trust a long time ago. So when this puppy launched, I wasn't having to evaluate whether or not I wanted to give it a try, like who are these guys. I was looking at a brand that had already earned a place in my routine. Like, there are so many different companies out there, you really don't know who to trust. Like, you could buy NMN on Amazon, and it's a very good chance there's no NMN actually in it. So for me, it was a no-brainer. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Let's talk about price. Because whenever I mention supplements, inevitably someone says, Mary, that's expensive. And they're usually right. Like, this sachet isn't cheap, but here's how I'm looking at it. If this was simply another supplement that I was adding on top of everything else, I would have no interest. But when I added up what I was already spending on NMN, TMG, Cert6 activator, CoQ10, resveratrol, magnesium, K2, D3, and hyaluronic acid, the numbers became a lot more palatable. And then you add in all the additional things that I wanted to be taking. So this sachet is just over $200 US a month. But if you were going to add up each of the 15 ingredients individually, you would be looking closer to $700 a month. I mean, who can do that? I can't. And what I also like is that this isn't just a random collection of supplements. This formulation was built around something called the hallmarks of aging, which is essentially the biological processes associated with aging. Like, I don't really know all the details of that, but the idea of supporting multiple aspects of aging at the same time makes perfect sense to me. Now, does everybody need this little guy? Like, absolutely not. Like, if you're in your 30s and taking a basic multivitamin, this is probably overkill. But if you're like me, if you're interested in longevity, if you're already taking multiple supplements, if you have found yourself building a collection that takes over an entire shelf, then I think this becomes a much more interesting proposition, because what you're really buying into isn't just the ingredients. You're buying simplicity, you're buying consistency. And for me, I guess that's where the true value lies. Okay, so what do you get when your order arrives? You will get the bag of 28 daily sachets. So this covers 4 weeks. You also get a shaker, you get a storage box, and a progress tracker. Now, the storage box might sound like a small thing, but it's actually quite clever. It's sturdy enough and it's nice enough to sit on your counter, which means you're constantly reminded to take it. Because let's be honest, I think remembering is half the battle. There's also a stamp card that lets you track your progress each day. Now, personally, I don't use it. I just leave the sachet and the shaker on the counter where I can see it in the morning. That's enough to keep me on track. But if you're someone who really enjoys ticking boxes and building habits, I can see the appeal. The surprise favorite for me, though, is this little metal insert that just goes into the shaker. Like, at first, I didn't even know what it was. I had to ask them. It was some weird gimmicky thing. And then I forgot to take it with me on a trip to New York. And then it turns out I was wrong. Like, this just helps to mix things up a lot better. And it's just one of those little details that you don't think it's important until you use it, and then it's not there. Now, before anyone asks, no, this hasn't replaced my entire supplement routine. I am still taking creatine, omega-3s, collagen peptides, and calcium. But that's a much shorter list than it used to be. And I'm just getting so much more. And I think that's really the point. So my goal was never to take fewer supplements because I didn't think I need them. The goal was to simplify a routine that had become increasingly complicated and expensive. And this has done exactly that. So will I keep taking it? Absolutely. And not because I think it's a miracle, and not because I think one sachet is going to stop the aging process, but because it solved a genuine problem for me. It simplified my routine, it makes traveling easy, and it means I'm finally taking the supplements I actually want to take instead of constantly choosing between them. And at 55, making healthy aging easier to stick with, it is a complete win in my book. So I'd love to know, what does your supplement routine look like these days? Like, are you into them as much as I am? Is there one supplement that you just couldn't live without? Please let me know in the comments below, because I'm always curious to hear what you're taking. I don't have a discount code, unfortunately. They don't offer them for this, but it's just one price that you will always pay forever and ever. I'll make sure I put a link to that down below. So thank you so much for joining today, and we'll see you next week. Bye. And if you like this video, YouTube thinks you're going to like this next one.